originally from Iran, but we are living in Berlin, Germany.
Okay.
You live here?
Yes, ma'am. Born and raised in Venice.
Great city.
It's always that crowded?
No.
Or?
Now is weekend. More people. During the week is less people.
But it's still busy, right? During the week.
No.
Oh, okay.
Just summertime. Winter time very quiet.
So what do you do when there's no tourist here?
No, we still do this because it's our work, it's our job. We give service all year long.
You need some kind of certificate for driving this
Yes, sir.
boat?
Riding.
Right. And private boat is not allowed is here, no?
Yes, but you have to respect the rulers.
So why there is no boat here? If they come out, how they go somewhere?
Because not everybody have a boat, madam.
Oh, so if this person wants to go somewhere, they need to wait for a taxi, right?
Absolutely not. They have a door in the street.
Ah, the other
Everybody has
way.
door in the street.
A fianco dove che c'è la mia, al posto di Andrea, l'explosion del mare.
C'è posto mio.
No, al posto di che c'era De Gianni, che c'è morto che aveva 30. Ah, c'è tuo. Ah, ok.
Per quante cose ma sta trovato seguito non sta di gara?
Perché c'è sempre coda al posto.
Ciò sia.
Ormai la prossima volta, di solito vado una volta a settimana. Se ti vedi una giornata, sarà anche sempre che mi dico,
Vai tranquillo. Per quante cose ma sta 3 volte? Perché il mio cassegna che sarà 3 settimane.
il caliccio blu di Andrea adesso a destra.
Sì, mi pare di sì. C'è 32, io 31 mi pare. Perché mica barca grande sono ancora intera. E ora patanea per far 7 metri manco. E ora io de
How old are these buildings?
This building is about 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 100 years.
Really?
Because they start building a long time ago,
Like-
more than 1,000 years, and they stop about 400, 500 years ago.
And is there any new building in the
No.
city? No.
The building is just when something is
Ruin, broken?
no, it's just-
Destroyed here?
Oh, if we have like a big shipyard or something very old, and they decide to renovate, and then they fix that. But we never destroy to build a new one. We can't. We are not allowed. We have to preserve everything. Maybe you can find in another city in the border some areas where like a free area I mean no building used for work and they stop that job, that service, and maybe they build something new, but it's never made.
Oh, okay.
How much much is the rent and buying apartment here?
We live in very small apartment. Everything depends the space you need and the square meter. We count by square meters. You live in an apartment, you live in a house. How big is
So it's 65
square meter?
a square meter and 4,000 per meter. 4,000 euro per meter. The price of our
To
apartment.
buy.
To buy.
buy.
You want to buy?
No, yeah. So what about here?
No, here, normal apartment is small like yours for one family. Okay, like one family, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, live in 60, 70 square meters, not big apartment. And to rent the apartment is about 1,000 euros per month.
Oh, for us also we rented it like 1,000.
If you want to buy, it's 300,000.
Yeah, the same. Okay,
300.
Delhi and Delhi.
Same price.
That's
Same
what I mean,
price.
because you live in the city. If you go out of the city, everything is cheaper.
Cheaper, yeah. Okay.
And this price is for
For
some
the-
apartment like this?
Yeah, look, no, for example,
Like old
look me,
one, right?
look me, look me. Not nice,
Ah, okay,
and
those
view and everything. The cheapest, the basic.
are,
one.
the
Yeah,
cheapest.
the basic.
Yeah, okay. Wow.
If you wanna have like the canal view, you pay little more. Like 100, 200 euros more. Ma c'è? Ma di notte? Là, cominciato. Ma al Mosi deve venire, alla fine. Ah.
شاید کاری یه دفعه نیست. هر دفعه که میای ایتالیا باید اینجا رو بیاری.
راه دیگه هر جا بخوای
اینا خیلی باید این باشه که بتونن اینجا خیلی درازه. عجیبیه. قایق‌های رو. یه بخوریم به این. نه، شما که نمی‌دونم. بچه نمی‌خواد پرواز بکشه.
الان بزنن تو به دیوار رد کنه اگه
راحت می‌کنه. چی نخور.
نه از ماشین
نه برگرده همه یادم.
شبش نگرم
داره ولی خب شب چی دیده میشه اگه
شاید چراغا روشن
شب
هست.
چرا
چراغا کنار.
Is there any light at night? Or? Why is more expensive?
No, in the canal you can never have that. On the street, yes, everywhere. But in the canals, no.
خیلی خوبه. ببین اینا همه قارچن ها. قارچ کلبکه.
These guys, so Santa Pop, 24 hours.
What are these?
اوکی نمیفته یعنی؟
حالا اگه آروم که خیلی دست پاش نخوره تموم
Ti apporto